up everybody? Campbell Baby show you guys how to make homemade hot chocolate in the Instant Pot. Oh my god, I believe it's gonna be very tasty, so let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is 2 cups of milk. And 2 cups of heavy cream. And then add 1 cup of chocolate chips. And then you add half a cup of sugar. And finally, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Like that. Then you place it on the Instant Pot, and then you can just keep stirring until everything is all melted. Now, it has to be on a low heat, so yeah, it's gonna take about 15 minutes to stir it up. Yeah, it's very important to keep stirring, otherwise everything will burn. You definitely do not want to burn. So I'm gonna keep on stirring it, and then I'll be right back. Now, this is actually a perfect recipe for if it's a really cold day outside, especially today. Yeah, so you can make this at home, and it'll be so much better than store-bought hot chocolate or some sort of cocoa powder. So yeah, so you guys can try it yourself, and yeah, I'll put the rest of the ingredients in the description. So yeah, we still have more to go, so make a change stirring and I'll go back. Alright, this is almost ready, so oh man, look at this delicious hot chocolate, guys. Now I'm going to try this. So I'm gonna continue stirring for a few minutes, and then it'll be ready. Okay, now I'm gonna transfer the hot chocolate into the container right here. So carefully. Oh, yum. Yeah, I definitely want to be careful when you pour it in.
That's bad puppy behavior.
Oh, perfect. Now you can top it up with some marshmallow and whatever you choose. So, yeah, I think this is a beautiful recipe for Instant Pot hot chocolate. So, yeah, I think this is a perfect recipe for homemade hot chocolate. So, thumbs up for that. Thumbs up for that. Sorry, my voice broke. Well, guys, that was my recipe for hot chocolate. Let's give it a taste. Ooh, that's really good hot chocolate. So, yeah, thumbs up for that recipe for sure. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time. Have a nice day, stay warm, and peace out.